With growing concerns about privacy and data security, app developers are constantly improving protection features. WhatsApp is no exception. In its latest version, WhatsApp introduced end-to-end encryption to better protect user privacy and keep data secure. Part 1. What is WhatsApp end-to-end encryption? End-to-end encryption means only you and the recipient can read the messages. Third parties, including WhatsApp, cannot access your chats, photos, or videos, keeping your data private. Part 2. How does WhatsApp end-to-end encryption work? WhatsApp end-to-end encryption ensures only the sender and receiver can read messages. Chats use unique keys stored on users' devices, preventing access by third parties, including WhatsApp. Part 3. How to enable end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. You don't need to enable end-to-end encryption manually. It works automatically once you install the latest version of WhatsApp. The feature can't be turned off, and both you and the recipient must be using the latest version for it to work. Part 4. How to know whether your WhatsApp chats are encrypted. Open a chat, tap the contact name, and select encryption. Scan your friend's QR code. A green check mark means the chat is encrypted. Part 5. What does WhatsApp end-to-end encryption protect? Protected messages, calls, and shared media. Third parties can't access content. Not protected. Cloud backups, local data, metadata, deleted or lost data. Part 6. Why you receive the notification your security code has changed. If a contact's security code changes, it usually means they reinstalled WhatsApp or logged in on another device. Not all users get this alert. Enable it under Settings. Account Security. Show security notifications. Part 7. How to recover lost WhatsApp data without breaking encryption. Encryption protects messages in transit, but not from loss. Mobikin WhatsApp recovery safely restores deleted chats and attachments without affecting encryption. Step 1. Install and launch Mobikin WhatsApp Recovery for iOS. Install and launch Mobikin WhatsApp Recovery for iOS on your computer. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Connect your iPhone using a USB cable and unlock the device. The software will automatically detect your iPhone. Step 3. Scan WhatsApp data on the iPhone. Choose WhatsApp as the target data type and click Start Scan to start scanning. The program will analyze your device to locate your wanted WhatsApp messages and attachments that are still recoverable. Step 4. Preview and recover WhatsApp data. After scanning, preview the recoverable WhatsApp chats and files. Select the items you need and click Recover to Computer to save them to your computer safely without affecting existing WhatsApp data on your iPhone. How to recover WhatsApp data from Android. Step 1. Install and launch Mobikin WhatsApp Recovery for Android on your PC. Step 2. Connect your Android device via USB and enable USB debugging. Step 3. Scan for WhatsApp data on Android. After your device is detected, the program will start to back up your WhatsApp data to computer. Turn on the end-to-end encryption and click Create, and WhatsApp will start doing an end-to-end encrypted backup of your WhatsApp content. Step 4. Preview and recover WhatsApp messages. Once the backup is complete, preview the recoverable WhatsApp messages and media. Select the items you want and click Recover to Computer to save them safely to your computer without overwriting existing WhatsApp data on your Android device.